In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set shipping options on WordPress.com. If you're managing an online store, ensuring you have the right shipping options set up can make a big difference in customer satisfaction and, ultimately, your business success. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com and log into your account. Open your preferred web browser and type WordPress.com login into the search bar. Once you see the link that starts with WordPress.com, everything you need to build your website, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the main login page where you can enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. After logging in, find your way to the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control room for your website. You'll see various menu options on the left-hand side. From there, you'll want to click on WooCommerce, which is the plugin that manages your store settings, including shipping. Once you're in WooCommerce, click on Settings to start configuring your options. Among the top tabs, look for the Shipping tab. Select it to access the shipping settings page. Now, it's time to set up your shipping zones. Shipping zones allow you to group geographical regions together, making it efficient to apply specific shipping methods or rates to each zone. Click on Add Zone. You'll need to provide a name that clearly identifies the zone to you, so enter a straightforward name that makes sense for your setup. Next, you'll need to define which regions belong to this zone. Click on Zone Regions and add the appropriate regions from your customer base. It's important to be as specific as possible, ensuring that you cover all necessary areas you plan to ship to. With your zone established, you'll now add shipping methods. Click on Add Shipping Method. You'll see a list of different methods you can choose from, such as flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. Select the method that aligns best with your business model and goals. Feel free to add multiple methods if applicable. After selecting a shipping method, you might need to configure additional settings specific to that method. This is where you can input rates, define taxes, and customize other features essential to your shipping policy. Finally, once you've entered all these details, make sure to save your changes by clicking Save Changes. This ensures that all your configurations are applied and will take effect immediately for your customers' future orders. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up shipping options on WordPress.com. Now your store is ready to handle orders with customized shipping solutions that best meet your customers' needs. Remember, keeping your shipping settings updated can greatly enhance customer satisfaction and streamline your fulfillment process. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out more tutorials for additional insights on managing your online store effectively.